What up, y'all? Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. It's cut 42 honey. Today, we're doing a little review on the cherry markers from Alderson Family Farm. It smells so good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I had this jar full, but I've been experimenting, seeing what works with what. Give you guys a close-up shot real quick. Check this out. You have to feel that in the blinder. Today, we're gonna go in with our Dutch for the day. I'm gonna smoke a blunt with y'all. Kick back, chill, and I'll let you know how I feel about this right off the dump, because I don't have to try to start telling y'all nothing. I like the flavor. When you hit it out the bong, you get more of the marker flavor, unless it's a freshly clean piece. Then I liked it the most out of papers at first, and now it switched to the gar. Like literally out of the gar, out of honey fusion Dutch. A good combination of both flavors. Give y'all one more show of and I'm gonna show y'all while it's ground up. It's real nice and purple. It's insane. Absolutely insane how purple this stuff is. A1. So let me get into busting this down. How's everybody doing today? What you getting into? What you smoking on? Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, give your boy a subscribe. I'm about to cut this down right now. I don't know what it is, guys, but I obsess over a straight line. So like I said, dude, I've been hitting this pretty heavy, and I can't say anything bad about it for real. Flavor, bag appeal, and the fucking effects, all rating high for me. All rating high for me. So, I don't know if y'all know how to roll, but I like the rock the boat method. Just a whole lot of back and forth until you can get it tucked. You feel me? When you start tucking, it's over. Once you start tucking that, let me see if I can turn around so I can show y'all what a tuck looks like. Tuck it in, tuck it in. Oh, it's all off camera. Sorry, y'all. But like I said, you get that tuck in, you just start ripping and rolling. Don't worry, if I was smoking with you though, I would use some of that glue, but this is just for me, so I don't mind it.
So I wasn't even trying, but somehow I made a banger.
So, yeah, without any further ado, I'm about to just get right into this, y'all. Cheers. Oh, wait, real quick. Cheers, y'all. Don't remember to join CKG. Realist if you is, man. Code cut. Change your life. Yeah, like I was saying, y'all, I'm getting the cherry, but it is not muted. It is equally as matched with that, with that permanent marker. It's really giving off like a cherry Crayola marker. It's a nice blend. Chemically, fruity, sweet. Has kind of a runce taste if you could dig that. I'm really messing with it. It's quite good. Let's give you a look at the ash too. Y'all see that super white ash? And that's super white ash off of a gar. Man. So it's been interesting stuff lately. As y'all seen before, we joined the Duca Dabs, part of the 1 gram dab club. Y'all about to see the merch. It's really swaggy stuff coming out. So if y'all haven't, go ahead and check out the Alderson Family Farm. Good people and got nothing but bangers, you dig? Smoke's good, concentrate's good, and they're coming out with merch. I know y'all seeing that I'm not coughing a lot. Really smooth. Burning nice and slow. We still got a pretty good amount of that going, doggy. Just kicking back, cooling, and just seeing what's up with the companies, yo. These companies really coming up with quality control. And I'm telling you guys, that cherry comes through right on the inhale. It'll taste like one of those cherry Tootsie Pops. It's just like rolling on the tongue. And then when you get the exhale, you get all of that marker chemically taste. And it sits on your tongue for a while. Well, clearly it's affecting me because I don't remember what I rated it to y'all. But I know I'm probably going to go in numbers right now. Bag appeal, probably going to give that joint, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. It looked real good. It was nice and dark. The purple contrast was real good. The flavor, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. It was really good. There's some room for improvement always, you know. And like I said, the effects, y'all, I cannot remember if I rated this at all. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It's hitting. It's definitely not none of that bunk. You ain't gonna be sitting there like, oh man, I didn't get what I tried to get. You know what I mean? Man, going back at it, look at this, dude. Just white ash. No residual nutrients was in this by the time I harvest, I can tell you that. Chilling, man. Probably just gonna do this for the rest of the day, y'all. And clean up my house. I think I might take the doggy for a walk just because, you know, it's nice to get outside, breathe some air, touch some grass, y'all. It's good for you. My bad, y'all. Let's see if I can do that like this. Let's just play around a little bit. Y'all caught that? Was that in frame? Shiver me timbers, gang. This be that real good, you heard? I'm really enjoying it. I don't know if y'all was paying attention to my eyes earlier, but this is what I look like behind the glasses, guys. I feel like the glasses hide a lot of the effect, y'all can tell. So with that being said, don't miss out. Brand new menus up on the site. Everything is just pumping. We're having a good time over there. And if you haven't, hit me up on the social media you have me on and see if you could find yourself over at Alderson Family Farm's Discord. So entertaining. So fun. And I'll see you guys there for real, dude. Shoot, I hate to cut it early too, because we ain't even done, but you know what? Whatever I was saying, disregard that. We're gonna try to muscle it up. We're gonna try to finish this thing. I will say it's got me though. Oh yeah. This is definitely something I would recommend y'all share with a friend over the age of 21, of course. Like I said, I'm probably gonna take the dog for a walk. This is definitely some get up and go. It's not too sativa, but it's not too indica either. It's one of those sit down thing for a second, and then you're gonna want to go experience the world. Like I said, go breathe some air, touch some grass. It's good for you. Oh, guys, I'm really getting there. I can tell you right now too, though. We got the VivoSun 4x4 smart tent all hooked up and ready to go. I'm not gonna show y'all yet, but we do got some babies popping up in there, about to make an appearance. So stay tuned for that, guys. All right, it got me. I'll tell you right now, the cherry marker from Alderson Family, it got your boy cut. Tapping it out, man. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.